Good morning, students. Here we are discussing about the free oscillation, chapter number 1, free oscillations.
Number 1.
Now, definition of free oscillations.
In this case, definition of free oscillations.
Which can
Natural oscillations of a system which can occur without any loss of energy of the system so that the amplitude of oscillations is constant are called
now differential
differential equation of linear SHM.
they have the
Consider a particle of mass m executing a simple harmonic motion along a straight line AOB about the mean position O. Describe a displacement x at an interval of time t.
O describe
The force experienced on the particle is given by F is equal to minus k
on the
into x,
is given
where k is the force constant of simple harmonic motion, and negative sign shows that force and displacement are opposite direction. According to Newton's second law of motion, force is equal to mass into acceleration. From equation 1 and 2.
according to second law of motion, force is equal to mass into acceleration. Now this is the accelerating force and this is the restoring force. At equilibrium position, these two forces are equal and opposite. So from equation 1 and 2, we get this is equation number 1, F is equal to minus kf, and F is equal to m into a. This is equation number 2. Equating these two,
m into d2x by dt square is equal to minus kx. d2x by dt square plus k by m into x is equal to 0. But k by m is taken as omega square, and therefore we can return d2x by dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0,
this equation,
where omega square is equal to k by m. This equation is the differential equation of linear.
sometimes it is called as differential equation of linear.
Now expression for acceleration from differential equation. Consider a particle of mass m executing a simple harmonic motion along a straight line about the mean position to describe a displacement s at an interval of time t. The differential equation of SHM is given by m into d2x by dt square plus kx is equal to 0. d2x by dt square is equal to minus k by m into x. d2x by dt square is equal to minus omega square x. Omega square is equal to k by m. This equation gives the acceleration of a particle at any instant of time.
Now to determine the velocity again.
Now general solution of differential equation of SHM. Expression for velocity. Consider the particle executing SHM. The acceleration of a particle at any instant of time t is given by d2x by dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0. d2x by dt square is equal to
dv by dt, that is equal to minus omega square x.
minus omega square x. d2x by dt square is equal to dv by dt is equal to minus omega square x. d2x by dt square is equal to d dt of v means dx by dt, that is equal to dv by dt, where v is an instantaneous velocity of the particle. dv by dt is equal to dv by dx into dx by dt, that is equal to v into dv by dx.
Separating the variables.
dv by dx into v is equal to minus omega square x, and hence v into dv by dx is equal to minus omega square x. v into dv is equal to minus omega square x into dx. Integrating above equation on both sides, we get v square by 2 is equal to minus omega square x square by 2 plus c, where c is
equal to 0, then x is equal to a. Understand? So substituting that values, you will get that equation 7 becomes v square by 2 is equal to minus omega square x square by 2 plus omega square a square by 2. Now multiplied 4 by 2 will get v square is equal to minus omega square a square plus omega square a square. Now this rearranging this equation, v square is equal to omega square a square minus x square, means v is equal to plus minus square root of omega square a square minus this gives v is equal to omega square root of a square minus x square. This equation gives the velocity of SHM at any instant of time. Now general solution of differential equation for displacement. For displacement, we know v is equal to plus omega square root of a square minus x square. V is nothing but dx by dt, that is omega square root of a square minus x square. Now dx is equal to omega square root of a square minus x square into dt. Separating the variables, dx upon square root of a square minus x square is equal to omega into dt. Integrating above equation, we get sin inverse of x upon a is equal to omega t plus phi. Phi is the constant of integration. So x upon a is equal to sin of omega t plus phi, means x is equal to a sin omega t plus phi. This equation is called as general solution of differential equation. or this is the expression for displacement. So thank you very much.